Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting off the new year with a deep clean reset. I've always wanted to do one of these videos and I decided why not, let's go ahead and kick off the new year with just cleaning and organizing just so that we can have a fresh start. Cause I know that you deserve much more than this. So I just wanted to start off by picking things up around the house and the floors. This was actually a 2-day process, you guys, but wanted to just ring in the new year having my home clean. And for those of you who are new here, my husband and I recently purchased our first home. So we are first-time homeowners, and I'm taking you guys on this journey with me of organizing and turning this house into our comfy and cozy home. So if you like home content or just daily vlogs to see what I'm doing to the home, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give. Welcome for those of you who are new here. My name is Nicole, and on my channel I love sharing all things lifestyle, which includes my work from home routine, different career tips, and now that I have a home, I am switching into the home content as well, because honestly for years I have loved watching other people do this, and now I finally have the chance to do it myself. So if you love all things home, if you love career chats and fashion here and there, then this is the channel for you. I love to share my day in the life as a work from home accountant, as well as other fun things that is going on. And of course, I do share my Christian faith with you all on here as well. I love Jesus and I like to share that with you guys. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. One of the things that I'm struggling with is getting all the stains off of my stove. So if you all have any cleaning products or recommendations or any good degreasers that I can use, please let me know, because I cook a lot and I want my stove to just keep looking clean, and I am not proud of it right now, honestly. So if you guys have any product recommendations, please comment below, as I would love to try them. So one of the projects that I will be taking on this year is redoing my laundry room. It's very big and I just want to make as much use of the space as possible. This is a builder grade laundry room, so I am super excited to share with you guys my ideas on this room. was at the wrong place at the right time.
Alright, so it is the next day and I had the robot vacuum going just to finish picking up any extra crumbs or dust that I might have missed the previous day vacuuming, so that way I can clean the floors. And you guys, I love this thing. I think it's one of my favorite gadgets. And as you guys can see, if you missed the previous vlogs, we do have a sofa, and honestly I do think the sofa is a little too big for our living room and for what I'm going for, so we will be changing it out. This will probably end up going upstairs in our loft area, and what's in our loft will probably be coming down. But I'm just super excited to share with you guys all the transformations that will be taking place in the home, and just seeing what my design style is and bringing that vision to life with you guys. So far Pinterest has been my best friend. And for cleaning my floors, I have found that using a little bit of Fabuloso and some warm water has really done the trick to help remove all the dust and keep the floors clean, and it also makes your house smell really, really good.
Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
I wanted to let you guys know that I do upload videos weekly every Sunday, and then I always try to throw out a bonus video during the week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays. But if you want to keep up with me in real time, go ahead and follow me on Instagram or TikTok as well. And if you want to shop anything that I show to you guys, make sure you follow me on the Like to Know It app, because that is where I share all the links with you. So I'm still building my cleaning supply collection, and I'm really going for more natural organic products. So for cleaning my windows, I just made a solution of vinegar and water, and it does the trick for windows as well as the bathroom mirrors, or all the mirrors in the house so far. So if you guys have any other cleaning product suggestions, please leave it down below.
And my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts.
So as we still try to figure out how we want our bedroom and bathroom to be, we have been utilizing the bedroom we have downstairs, as well as this bathroom, which is the guest bathroom but also our bathroom for now. So I really wanted to make this a nice oasis for guests while also being functional. So I did get some shelves, which you guys will see later on in the video, in this set from Walmart. Tell me what you guys think about the bathroom decor so far.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain
So you guys, I'm super excited to bring content for you in this new year. Yes, we are going to have the work vlogs. Don't worry, but I have been off work for the past 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't had any to show you guys. But we will be doing work from home vlogs, as well as more home content, clean with me's, pantry organization, sharing with you guys projects such as the cabinet pulls, which I will share soon. I will also be sharing with you guys the home buying process and answering some of your questions, so make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe for that. And again, follow me on my other socials so that way you can keep up with me in real time. And let me know, do you guys do a deep clean for the new year? I would love to know. And let me know as well if you want to see more of this type of content, and I will love to bring it for you guys moving forward. Have a happy new year, and I'm super excited for the 2023 year here at Corporately Nicole.